Hey, okay guys, so let us take a look at lists in HTML. Okay, so there are a lot of occasions when we need to use lists, and HTML provides us with three different types. The first one is the ordered list or ordered lists, and these are lists where each item in the list is numbered. Yeah, for example, the list might be a set of steps for a recipe that must be performed in order, or a legal contract where each point needs to be identified by a section number. Okay, and another type is the unordered list. Okay, so the first one was ordered list. Okay, and the second one is the unordered list. So unordered lists are lists that begin with a bullet point rather than a character that indicate order. Okay, so and the third one is the definition lists, and these ones are made up of set of terms along with the definitions of each of those terms. Okay, so let us take a look at the ordered lists. So ordered lists are made. They are started using. So they are started using the all tag. So that one, all tag, which stands for ordered list. Okay, so and inside it we put the list items. So each list item is put inside the li tags. Okay, so the first one we have item 1, that is item 1. This one is item 2, like that. This one, item 3. Okay, so when we try to save, remember we say that these ordered lists are numbered. Okay, so if we try to save, I see we get our numbered list of items. Okay, so that's how we can use ordered lists. Okay, so these lists can be nested. So this one we can have below this one, we can have another list, another ordered list. Okay, so they can be for example, if we have another ordered list below this one, which is like this ordered list, and we have some items like list item 1, this is 2. Okay, like that. Are you seeing? So we get another nested ordered list. Okay, so let us take a look at unordered list. So unordered list, like ordered list, for them they are also started in the same way, except that this one changes. Remember, for unordered list we used the all tag, but here we use ul, unordered list tag. Okay, that one. So that one, like that. Then inside we put the list items like in ordered list. Okay, so but for these ones they are bulleted. Okay, let us first define this one is item 1, this one is item 2, like that, and create another item 3, item 3, like that. So if we try to save, I see what we are getting. We are getting a list of items, but for this case they are bulleted, they are not numbered. Okay, so that's how we can use those lists. So, and another type that we had is the definition list. Okay, so let us take a look at the definition list. Okay, we should not forget that these lists can be nested. Okay, like how I showed you when we were working with the ordered lists. So definition lists have this tag, which is the DL. So DL tag. So this DL tag, the definition list is created. Okay, so it is created with the DL element, and usually consists of a series of terms and their definition. Okay, so to create a term we use the DT tag, that one. So this is used to contain the term being defined, okay, the definition term. So for example, here we can have scale of preferences. Scale of preferences. This is the term, scale of preference, and this term, it has a definition. Okay, so this definition, to give out this definition or to write this definition, we use the dd. Okay, dd tag. Okay, so this dd tag, inside it we can write the definition. So for example, this is the list of needs ordered in no arranged in order of priorities. Okay, so that is the definition. Okay, scale of preference and the term. So here we have the term, scale of preferences, and the definition. Okay, so the definition, which is created using the dd tag. Okay, this one, dd tags. Okay, so those are the lists in HTML. Okay, so what we have seen, that there are three types of HTML lists: the ordered, unordered, and definition. Okay, so the ordered list, we use numbers, and the unordered list, we use bullets. Okay, definition lists are used to define terminologies. Okay, so and lastly, we have discovered that lists can be nested inside one another. Okay, so that's how we can use lists. Feel free to play with them, create something big. Okay, create a web page that shows different definitions, that shows different items. Okay, so play with them. Okay, using all your knowledge about HTML. Okay, so thank you.